Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm still not sure how I like the setup of the Hohem Eye Steady M2 yet. I'm using it right now and I also have the light on with it and I don't actually know how to change the light. So that's going to, I'm gonna play with it a little bit more to just get my feel of it and how I like it. But anyway, so today we are going to be testing this new foundation. I have tested it before off camera, but I just wanted to just do a little video on testing it. So this is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup, and I have the shade Classic Ivory 10. Like I said, I've tried this before, and I really like it. The only thing I don't like about it is that you have to pour it out. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But it's still such a great foundation. I wore it today, and I just took it off just to show. Oh, I think it's a little crooked. That's okay. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm just going to pour a little bit on the back of my hand here. You have to be careful because it does pour out like a lot. It's amazing. So this is what it looks like. I love to use this foundation for my like summer makeup looks. It's amazing. So I'm going to take my Nikki and BK Beauty, the N17 brush. I'm just going to apply this all over the skin. This foundation is super light. I love this foundation, even for an everyday makeup look and also summer makeup look. It's so nice. And I only need like a very, very little bit of this foundation. So nice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take what's left on the back of my hand and kind of put it in places where I need a little bit more coverage. And I like that you can see your skin peeking through this foundation. I think I picked the perfect shade match too, which I really, really like. This is a really great foundation. I love it. This is my first Neutrogena face product and I really do enjoy it. Yeah, so that was pretty much it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one. Bye!